welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys a full face, a full beat of Colourpop products only, and also I want to share with you guys how to create this look as well. It's a very beachy, very summery, super dewy, glowy, and this is a friendly tutorial for like normal to oily skin, and even dry skin can get away with this using very hydrating products underneath your foundation. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Anyways, let's get right into it. Today I'm doing a Colourpop full face makeup tutorial, so if you guys are into that, please keep on watching. So the first thing that we're starting with is their brow boss. But anyways, what I did not like is this is all the product that you get. Basically, this is what you're really paying for. It is what it is, because obviously, you know, you're also paying for the little packaging, but I feel like you really don't get much product out of that, especially when you have a lot of brows like myself. Like I feel like I have a ton of brows. I feel like I do have a lot of coarse hair, so it's gonna take me a little bit longer to fill in and maybe more product to actually make them look nice. This brow product is actually not the best or convenient for my type of brows, because this will go in a heartbeat and I will have to be buying this constantly. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows like I would normally would. Yep, the pencil did break a little bit, so now I just lost like a piece, so that's even less product now. So the product, I feel like, is a little bit dried on this eyebrow pencil, and that forced me to like force the pencil to drag it onto the skin to be able to like apply it, and that's why I believe it broke a little bit. But other than that, it's really good. It's very affordable as well, but it's not something I will go for, you know, like I wouldn't spend my money on it again. So next, you guys, I'm going to take the concealer, and I'm using, whoa, the packaging literally just like opened up. But I'm using their concealer, and this is the shade. This is actually really light 16, and I'm going to use that to clean up the brows. Definitely came out really nice in my opinion, you guys. I like how it turned out. So far so good. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go on to the eye. I'm gonna be using this Make Up Your Mind Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and these are like all super pretty shimmers, you guys. They're so pretty, and I'm just super excited to be trying this on my eyelids. So let's get right into it. Okay, I did want to apply the rest of the concealer that I had on my hand from the Colourpop concealer. So here, just a quick rundown, you guys, of all the eyeshadows. Just a quick little swatch. So the first shade I'm going to be using is Inside Out, and I'm going to be applying, you guys, this shade all over the eyelid, and I'm also going to be bringing it onto the crease as well. I'm going for that similar look that Nikki Tutorials did on one of her makeup tutorials. She brought the shimmer eyeshadow all the way to her crease, and it made it look like such a beautiful wet look, but using eyeshadow, and it looked amazing. So let's go ahead and try that, and hopefully I don't look insane. This color is so pretty, like so mesmerizing. So currently I'm just packing it onto the eyelid, the color, and next I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and then just blend out that crease. So I'm just bringing it and packing it on a little bit more, you guys, because I really wanted to bring all the way out to the crease. And these eyeshadow blend so nice. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, so next I'm going to be applying this shade, that silver shade, Toasted, right on the middle, and I'm hoping that this kind of blends in really nice, otherwise I'm gonna look insane. And I'm just applying this right on the middle like that. Ooh, it does look nice, you guys. It does look really nice. I'm not mad. Maybe I could have gone with a gold shade, but I don't have it. So, I mean, I do have the yellow, but I don't think the yellow will create it. And as you guys can see, I'm bringing it all the way up to almost the brow, while the brow literally bringing it all the way up. And it's just creating this beautiful effect, like if it's a wet on your eyelids. Oh my god, you guys, it looks so glossy. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. The look is almost like already done. I love this gloss look. It's so cute. Difference the lashes make. Okay, you guys, so now that the eyes are done, we're gonna go on to the face. You guys know that they did launch a few new things, like their no filter foundation and no filter powder as well. I did a review, a test wear, and all that on my previous video, I believe so I'll link it down below so you guys can check that out. So the foundation that I actually got, you guys, was a pretty light on my opinion, especially now that the summer is here. I get a little tan, and I got the shade Light 70. I don't know, I think they matched me to my actual foundation from Maybelline Fit Me, but I feel like this is a bit lighter than that one. So I'm gonna mix it with their Colourpop concealer in Dark 54. I did get this to contour, so I'm gonna mix just a little tiny bit just to see if it does anything. I feel like their pump is kind of like, I don't know, messed up. I do not like this pump. Fuck, I just messed up my shirt, man. Come on, Colourpop, can you do better than this? I just fucked up my shirt, man. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. So definitely be careful when you pumping out this foundation, just because it shoots like crazy. But yeah, you guys, this foundation is not the best foundation. I would not pay what I paid for it. I think it was $9. I don't think so. I think I would go for I'd rather just save my money and go to Walmart and pay for the Maybelline 24-hour stay foundation. That's legit my favorite one. I am obsessed with it. It's so good. It really covers. It's just amazing. This foundation, Colourpop, I don't know, I think they need a little bit more fixing. I also do feel, you guys, like this foundation does oxidize just like a little tiny bit, because it turns a little bit orange on my skin, just like a little tiny bit. I'm gonna take their no filter concealer in the shade Dip Dark 54, and this is what I'm gonna use to bronze up the face. I feel like I have patches here, like the foundation didn't blend really well. It's so odd. I don't know. This foundation is definitely not my favorite. Oh yeah, I definitely apply way too much. Oh my god. Oh my god. What am I gonna do? Okay, so for this concealer, a little goes a long way. As you can see, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Lord, take the wheel, because I don't know what I'm doing anymore. And then the concealer is like extremely light, so let's see how this blends in together, you guys. I'm using this shade Light 16. Oh my god. And let's just blend this in and see where it takes us. You guys are gonna be hearing a lot of noise here, because this area is just full of grass and there's always somebody mowing the lawn. Next, I'm gonna be using the No Filter setting powder. I have it in the shade Translucent. I don't like the texture of this powder, like how it looks, but I'm just gonna be applying this under the eye. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be taking the palette and I'm going to be using the shade right here as well on my lower lash line, just a little tiny bit. And I think I'm also going to be using that same shade, you guys, as a highlight inside out. Okay, you guys, so as a highlight, not so much, but everything is looking super pretty. Let's go ahead and apply something on the lips. I'm using the Colourpop Lumiere lip liner, which is almost literally gone. And I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Next, I'm using the Shayla collaboration with Colourpop. It's a super pretty gloss, you guys. It looks, oh my god, everything. This gloss is everything, and it's in the shade Neat Freak. So let me just show you the packaging, how pretty. Like, look how pretty this gloss is. Let me just put a little bit of gloss here. And to just set everything together, I'm using this Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, which is like a must-have for vacay. Anyway, my love, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will be back very soon, you guys. If you do not see me after this video, I'm sorry. I am on vacay because my birthday's on Friday, so girl, it's like lit. I'm going to Mexico, so I'm super excited. But yeah, you guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are from Mexico, if you guys have been to Mexico, if you guys love Mexico. I love Mexico. I love Mexican food. I love everything. Anyways, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you babes in my next tutorial.